So when I bought this truck, the window was all messed up, and you can see inside of the truck. So before I replace the window, I'm going to do a few other things first. So in the meantime, I'm going to patch it up with some paper I found in our recycling. Pretty neat artwork. Some Flex Seal. Fill it in. Hit it with some Flex Steel. Make my own ghetto fabulous fiberglass. I shoved some on the inside and sealed it a few days ago, and it worked pretty good. So we're going to top it off on the outside, and that should hold it over until I get the window replaced. Welcome back to another episode of She Ain't Pretty, But She's Mine. Check on this tomorrow. Take it out camping. See how she do. All right. There it is. She ain't pretty, but she's mine. So hopefully that'll keep the moisture out until I change the windshield. There you go. Hit it with a little black Flex Seal too. I made a little bit of a mess, but should stay dry. Okay, looks like everything is dry and holding. We are 1 day later. So, got the dehumidifier going on the inside to dry out all the moisture that was collected while this top part was exposed. Well, maybe next I'll rip off all that crappy silicone on those lights and redo that with some Flex Seal. Sprang a leak this summer and it was raining, so I had to apply that crap in the rain. Looks awful, but it held. Alright. Here we go.